That sound is the sound of a system that can handle anything 2025 can throw at it. But for every one PC that delivers that smooth, buttery frame rate, there are 10 that are overpriced, underpowered, or just plain broken straight out of the box. You're not just buying components, you're buying an experience. And after putting 25 of the most popular pre-built systems through hell, I can tell you that the difference between the best and the rest is staggering. Today, I'm revealing the only 5 gaming PCs from major brands that are actually worth your hard-earned cash this year. The number 3 pick will shock you with what you get for the price. Number 1. YEYIAN Mirage S Gaming PC. The selected text describes key specifications and features of a powerful pre-built gaming PC, the YEYIAN Mirage S. Let's break down and analyze the components mentioned. Processor, CPU. Intel Core Ultra 9 285K. This processor is highlighted as a high-performance 24-core and 24-thread CPU. Clock speed. It operates at a base frequency of 3.7 GHz, with a maximum turbo frequency of 5.7 GHz. This indicates that it can manage demanding tasks in gaming at high speeds, which is essential for gaming and multitasking performance. Motherboard. Intel Z890 motherboard. This motherboard supports the Intel Core Ultra series and is likely designed to provide robust performance and optimizations for gaming and high-performance applications. Operating system. Windows 11 Home. The gaming PC comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, offering a modern operating environment that supports the latest gaming features, including direct storage and improved gaming performance enhancements. Number 2. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Series is a line of gaming PCs powered by AMD's newest Ryzen CPU and accompanying AM5 architecture. The Ryzen 5 CPU is the core to the series with fast processing speeds and up to 6 cores/12 threads for effortless multitasking. The Gamer Master also includes the latest AMD Radeon or NVIDIA's GeForce series of graphics cards to deliver high frame rates and impeccable image quality in the newest PC games. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master series is a line of gaming PCs powered by AMD's Ryzen CPU and accompanying AM5 architecture. The Ryzen 5 CPU is the core of the series, with fast processing speeds and up to 6 cores/12 threads for effortless multitasking. The Gamer Master also includes the latest AMD Radeon or NVIDIA's GeForce series of graphics cards to deliver high frame rates and impeccable image quality in the newest PC games. Number 3. Skytech Gaming Shadow Gaming PC. Why accept mediocrity when you can soar ahead with the cutting-edge Skytech Shadow series? Embrace the latest architectures, showcasing top-tier NVIDIA RTX series graphics cards and fueled by an AMD Ryzen 5 processor. The Skytech Shadow stands out as the ultimate gaming rig, offering unparalleled price-to-performance value in the current market. Brand story. Skytech Gaming is a premier manufacturer of custom and pre-built gaming PCs. With our team of seasoned experts boasting years of collective experience in the industry, we are committed to delivering unparalleled gaming experiences to our esteemed clientele. Our extensive range of gaming PCs ensures that you can select the ideal one tailored to meet your requirements and budget. Every PC we offer is meticulously crafted with top-tier components and is supported by a comprehensive warranty, assuring you of a premium product. The Skytech Shadow is a top-tier gaming computer of the latest generation, designed to effortlessly handle popular games such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch 2, Counter-Strike 2, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree, Rocket League, Baldur's Gate 3, Dota 2, Helldivers 2, Monster Hunter, Terraria, Rainbow Six Siege, Dragon's Dogma 2, Black Myth Wukong, Dragon Age and more at ultra settings. Number 4. Dell Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming PC. This upgraded generation with Intel Ultra 9 285K wasn't just faster, it was smarter. Apps snapped open, background tasks vanished, and multitasking felt smoother than on my i9-14900KF system. More cache, better thermal control, and built-in AI make it work with me, not just for me. Video game. I thought RTX 4090 was peak graphics, until I met the 5080. Ray tracing looked more stable, DLSS 4 was sharper, and lighting transitions were eerily lifelike. The difference wasn't about frame count, it was about feeling inside the game. It's like stepping from Ultra into something beyond Ultra. Package. No more performance ceiling. 64GB DDR5 RAM, 8TB SSD, dual PCIe Gen 5 slots. This thing chews through 4K editing, live streaming, and Unreal Engine builds without breaking a sweat, and with Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, I'm ready for the next 5 years, not just this one. Electric plug. I always ran out of ports, until now with USB-C front and rear, killer 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, and more than 10 I/O slots. I connected my monitor, mic, camera, SSD dock, just plug and play. High voltage. This PC thinks fast, not just runs fast. With a massive 76 megabytes cache and built-in NPU acceleration, creative apps, AI workflows, and real-time multitasking all feel effortless. It made my previous i9-14900KF build feel one-dimensional by comparison. Number 5. Panorama Gaming PC Desktop. CPU, Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, 24 cores, 32 threads, 2.4 GHz base clock speed up to 6.0 GHz max boost clock speed, for elite gaming and content creation. Storage, 4 TB PCIe NVMe Gen 4 M.2 SSD. Experience hyperfast bootup and data transfer that's up to 30x faster performance than a traditional hard drive. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, 16GB GDDR7 dedicated memory. Get all the power you need for fast, smooth, power-efficient performance. RAM, 96GB DDR5 RAM gaming memory for seamless multitasking from multiple web pages to playing games online simultaneously. OS, Windows 11 Pro x64. Fans, 9 ARGB PWM fans for powerful airflow and dynamic speed control. PC case, Panorama with front and side full panel tempered glass for panoramic view, no bloatware. Graphic output options include 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort guaranteed. Additional ports may vary. Free rainbow backlit USB keyboard and LED USB mouse. Buy with confidence. Empowered PCs are assembled in the USA, rigorously stress-tested before shipping, and supported with lifetime technical and diagnostic support and 3-year limited hardware warranty. So there you have it. Your shortcut to a top-tier gaming rig without the build anxiety. Any one of these 5 will be a powerhouse. To make your decision easy, I've compiled all the direct purchase links, with updated pricing and configurations, in the video description below. If this massive test saved you from a costly mistake and helped you find your next gaming companion, please support the channel, hit that like button, share this with your squad, and subscribe for more no-nonsense PC content. Now go enjoy those frames!